In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways that you can learn YouTube ads even if you don't have much time. Now, YouTube ads are a great way to have consistent leads and sales coming into your business because it's an intent-based platform. You can actually target the right person at the right time. Unlike other platforms on Facebook or TikTok, etc., where you're just kind of scrolling through and it's more interruption-based advertising, the benefit of YouTube is you can target somebody not just based on who they are, but also what they're watching. And that's what we really want to talk about in this video is how you can learn how to target people on YouTube. Now, I've been doing YouTube ads for over 8 years. I've really helped generate over $200 million in revenue from YouTube ads. And so I've actually put together some free resources that I'm gonna link below in this video, and also some other YouTube videos I've made on my channel that can help kickstart your learning process, even if you don't have a lot of time. So I'm kind of using this as a directory so that you can know where to go based on your learning style and how you can start learning YouTube ads for yourself. So the first is I actually have a training that dives in, it's about an hour long, and walks you through my main YouTube ad strategy, which is called 3D YouTube ads targeting. Now, unlike other platforms, you're kind of targeting in 2 dimensions. You're targeting based on who somebody is, maybe some demographics. On YouTube, you want to target not just based on who somebody is, but also what they're watching. And then also, do they have the ability to buy? And that's some of the demographic data. So we call it 3D YouTube ads targeting. And if you want to learn what that strategy looks like and how to actually set up these ads and how that process works, I have that training. Now, I have it in 2 versions. One is a YouTube video, and I actually gave this presentation live at an event called Flight Club. I mean, the video is done really well. I think at this point, it's over 25,000 views. And I'll link that up here in the cards and down below. You can watch that YouTube video. That's me giving the presentation live on stage. And I walk through some of the big components of YouTube ads and the targeting that you're gonna wanna use to actually kickstart those ads and get consistent leads and sales. Now, I have another version of it in kind of a webinar style. I'll link down below. Those are webinars that run ever so often. I'll link that down below as well. If you want to get more of a presentation style, that might be a little bit easier just to see the screen versus me speaking on stage. So I'll post both those links down below. Now, I know some people are more, learners that love to read, maybe you love to read lots of different books or read, guides and manuals, things like that. And what I've actually put together as well is our YouTube ad strategy PDF. I call it the $200 million YouTube ad strategy PDF. Now, here's the thing. I want to give this out as free value to you. Now, I know I'm talking about some resources that I have, and that's because I've been doing YouTube for a long time. We got recognized, Inc. 87 fastest growing company from the YouTube ads that we've used. And I wanted to put together some resources that you can utilize to kind of learn some of these same strategies. So this is a 19-page PDF. It goes step by step through the whole process. I'll post a link down below. This is instant access. You just have to put in your name and email, and you get full access to the whole PDF. And it kind of walks you through the whole strategy. So it shows what types of ads should I film, what types of targeting should I use, and it goes step by step. And really what I wanted to do is just provide a lot of value. I've had people say this is one of the best PDFs that they've read because I just wrote and started typing down, and I don't want to leave anything off the table. I wanted to put it all into that PDF, so you can check that out. And then one other resource that can be valuable as well is really getting a consultation, having somebody say, hey, can we help you with that? Can we take a look at maybe what you're already doing on YouTube ads and map out a new strategy, learn what you're marketing, what your goals are. And we do offer YouTube ad strategy calls. That's down below as well. Completely up to you, but those are some complimentary calls that we do. So those are just a few ways to learn YouTube ads. There's actually a couple of great ways to do it. One is watching videos and trainings that show you YouTube ads. Now, yes, there are a bunch of different trainings here on YouTube, and I wanted to link to my specific training that I found to work the best. And then also a PDF, right? So you can actually follow a guide step by step, make sure you're kind of checking things off as you go. And finally, if you're looking to have that hands-on help, somebody to take a look at things, there's a strategy call as well. So those are 3 great ways to start learning YouTube ads, even if you don't have much time. And the best way to do it is to shortcut the process, learn from people who have already done it before, and then implement those strategies yourself. So hopefully you found this video valuable. I'll post all the links down in the description below, including the YouTube links and some links offsite that go to some of the other resources we have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.